Welcome to Lucan Techno, where innovation meets excellence. Today we are thrilled to present to you the MPCVD Slider. Designed to revolutionize the diamond industry, this slider is a game-changer in blocking all types of real and lab-grown diamonds, whether they are HPHT or CVD. The MPCVD Slider boasts a range of exceptional features that set it apart from the rest. Firstly, it can block any facet with utmost precision, ensuring a flawless result without causing any surface damage. Our advanced technology guarantees a better surface finish, providing you with unmatched quality and accuracy. We take pride in the craftsmanship of our slider. Both the sliding plates and the dope support feature a top-of-the-line chrome plating, elevating their hardness and durability. This not only prevents corrosion but also simplifies the cleaning process. With Lucan Techno, you can rely on a product built to last. Our MPCVD Slider offers high lubricity, significantly reducing friction and extending the lifespan of the slider. This leads to smoother functioning, minimizing the risk of overheating. Experience the ultimate performance and efficiency with our cutting-edge technology. Equipped with a powerful 10 revolutions per minute motor, the MPCVD Slider takes productivity to new heights. Its faster cutting capabilities enable increased production capacity, allowing you to meet demanding deadlines and surpass expectations. When you choose Lucan Techno, you receive the complete package. Each MPCVD Slider purchase includes the machine itself, a dope support rode with stand and 2 magnets. We provide everything you need to unlock the full potential of your diamond processing.